Smart Panic Alarm Solution. In this scenario, a user spot an attempting robbery in front of stores. The user will find the nearest panic alarm button to send the signal to alert authorities. This solution provides the authorities an instant alert when any threat occurs. It communicates via mobile network to send for alarm trigger condition to the panic alarm system. This wireless panic controller consists of integrated pinhole camera, push button with LED indicator, and override key switch. Once the panic alarm button is pushed, a snapshot of camera is captured and sent along with the alarm signal to the panic alarm system through internet. Operator of panic alarm system will verify the alarm signal based on the snapshot received, and then notify the nearest law enforcer for response.